When the hammer on the anvil rings, sung by Ada Jones, Edison Record.
Two women meet and kiss. One says, "My, what a pretty gown. You're looking grand, my dear, today." The third one then comes round. "How do you do? What pretty gloves. Your hat is simply sweet." They kiss goodbye, one goes away when she gets down the street. Bang, bang goes the hammer on the anvil. You can hear it 20 blocks. 'Twas first Miss, and then Miss Green, and then Miss Brown gets in and knocks. Let me tell you what I heard. Bang, bang, don't you hear some awful things? You stand a lovely chance when the hammer on the anvil rings. I joined the sewing circle once, of course it was to sew and make the Zulus underwear, but why I do not know. Not one of us could sew a stitch, the Zulus stood no show. But when we got our hammers out, then we would let her go. Bang, bang goes the hammer on the anvil. You could hear it 20 blocks. 'Twas first Miss, and then Miss Green, and then Miss Brown gets in and knocks. Let me tell you what I heard. Bang, bang, don't you hear some awful things?